everyone, it's Jennifer with DP Addiction Adventures, and I wanted to announce the winners of my 5,000 subscriber celebration. I was curious. There weren't as many people as I thought who might want, $75 to $100 in prizes, but that's okay. That just means that those who did enter have such a higher level of being able to possibly win. So what I did is you guys had to answer 10 questions. If you answered 5 out of the 10 correctly, you then got put into a drawing. One of the final questions was not included in the 10, was which envelope did you want as your prize? Envelope 1 was diamond painted related. Envelope 2 was diamond painted related. Envelope 3 was a paint by number relation. Envelope 4 was something that was string or yarn art. And envelope 5 was international. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to give you the answers right now while you and I are talking to each other. Then I'm going to turn the camera around and we're going to pull the names for the 5 envelopes. I will say envelope for the paint by number, nobody selected, so there won't be a prize as far as for envelope 3, but I will be giving out the 4 other prizes. So thank you so much. If I look off camera, it's because I'm making sure that I'm answering or the questions I'm remembering correctly. So the first question was my channel ever named something differently? The answer is yes. When I first started, I screwed up with my Gmail account, my personal account. It was 2 o'clock in the morning. I didn't know what I was doing. And so, yes, my channel name used to be DP Addictions Adventures or DP Addiction Adventures with Jennifer Roberts. So yes, that the name was different. What replaced DPer of the month? That is Smilegrams. So those who answered Smilegrams or smile cards or anything that remotely related to a Smilegram, I took as credits. What company did I use for my therapeutic video? I took calm strips, or I took Redbubble because I did do a sticker from Redbubble. The answer I was looking for was the calming strips. However, I took either one. So that's the answer to that. What is my favorite color? My favorite color is green. This is a little tricky because I do like aqua or, those teal. But at the end of the day, green is my favorite color. And I say that all the time. If someone did put aqua, I would have taken it, but nobody did. If somebody had put teal, I would have taken it, but nobody did. So green is my favorite color. Who did I do a collab with for DP Summer Cool Off? That would have been Wolfpack, or I also took Stephanie, or I took Stephanie Wolfpack. Anything that led me to believe that you somewhat knew who I was talking about. How many stars did I give Crystal Canvas Arts Koala Owls? I took 5, or I took 4.5, or I took 2 thumbs up. So because I was going back and forth in the video, I took all of those answers. Anybody who answered what attracts you to this channel got points. I was trying to give you like pity points because it doesn't matter what attracts you to this channel. What matters is that you are part of the family. So thank you so much for being a subscriber. What do I call my daughter or husband on Friday nights? I was looking for Peanut Gallery. I say Peanut Gallery all the time. I did take Skunkilla, if anybody said that, but I don't think anyone did, if I remember correct. And I did take Lids and Tim, or Lydia and Tim. Just, again, I'm trying to be fair. So I did have somebody who is my golden girl out there who did say Sophia and Stanley, and that made me giggle. So thank you so much, golden girl sister. Okay, what other crafts do I do outside of diamond painting? This one, I do some other crafts, but I gave you a specific, choose one of these, and the only one of those choices that I actually do is crocheting. So that is the answer to that. I do not knit. I do not do string art. What 2 diamond painting companies do I affiliate with? At the present time of this questionnaire 2021, which I hope it never changes, but you know, I don't know how long my channel is going to be around because it could be different 10 years from now. But right now I'm an affiliate with Treasure Studios Arts and with Craftably. I do have coupons below in my description, but I'm not an affiliate. I don't receive anything from those. Those coupon codes are generic coupon codes that you can find other places. I also have it clearly labeled in my description with little asterisks as to who I'm an affiliate with. And so hopefully that helps answer any questions. All right, so those were the 10 questions. I'm going to go ahead and pause this video, turn you guys around, and we're going to pick the 4 prize winners. Just a reminder, one of the prizes was not selected, and so that's going to go back into future prizes. So one moment, I'll be right back. Okay, so these are the winners from envelope 1. These people answered 5 out of the 10 correctly. There were 6 winners. So I'm going to go ahead and hit spin. Envelope 1 was DP related, so you are going to win a canvas of your choice from Treasure Studios Art. They are helping sponsor this event. As soon as I pick the winner, I will connect you and Rachel over at TSA, and you will get to pick the canvas of your choice. So are you guys ready? Cross your fingers. Here we go. Oh, and by the way, real quick, if you make a comment, please do not put the name of the winners down below. It's really fun for them to learn through the video itself. So if I do see any names, I will delete the names. So you can say congratulations for sure, but just do not use the names. Winner! Narita! Okay, so Narita, I will connect you and Rachel. Thank you for providing your email, and then you will be able to pick a Treasure Studios Art canvas of your choice. All right, I'm going to pause. We're going to set up for the next envelope. All right, and we're back. So this is envelope 2, which was also DP related. And this is another free TSA canvas. So whoever wins this, I will connect them direct with Rachel, and they will be able to pick any canvas of their choice out. So as you can see, there are 13 winners who answered 5 or more correct. So we are going to spin the wheel. Here we go. All right, Elizabeth I. This is our beloved Elizabeth Ensley. So I will be connecting her with Rachel. Thank you so, so much. You will be able to pick out a TSA of your choice to have sent to you. So I'm going to set up, remember envelope 3, nobody picked a paint by number. So we are going to move on to the string art. So one moment. Okay, so here we go. Here is the string art. As you can see, one person, so we do not even have to spin the wheel. So Irene Chandler, you are the winner, and guess what? You get a $50 gift card to lionbrand.com. Yes. So I am going to purchase that for you and send you the link. You will have $50 to spend at Lion Brand, and you will be able to pick what you want in regards to any type of yarn, knitting, crocheting, things that you want from Lion Brand. So thank you so much. Okay, and I did a final envelope for our international fans. So as you can see, we have 5 people who answered the question correct. I am purchasing a $75 gift card to TSA so that you guys can pick whatever you want from there. I will purchase that after this video, and I will send you the link so you can go pick what you want and have it sent direct to you. Hopefully that's enough to cover some of the shipping as well. So I'm really excited to be able to bless you guys with that. So hopefully, here we go. Let's spin and see who wins our international prize. Jennifer R. That is not me, Jennifer Roberts. That is Jennifer Rushton. So I will be emailing Jennifer that prize. Thank you so much, Jennifer. She actually has started her own pen turning business. So definitely check her out. I love her Etsy shop. I will put it down below in the description so you can check her out, and for all you Canadians. So I love you guys all. Thank you for celebrating our 5,000 subscribers. Please stay tuned. If you haven't subscribed, go subscribe, and we will have lots of fun in the upcoming months. So until next time, be blessed. Take care. Bye-bye.